Hello family, today we are going back to the basics and we are using Pravana Chromasilk Vivids. I'm doing a blue ombre and I'm using clear, blue, blue topaz, and black. I have a couple mixtures over here. I have the blue that I mixed up with the black. That's the very first container that you see. So it's like blue darkened up with black. And then the next color is just the blue topaz by itself, and the next color is the blue that I added clear to make it really pastel. My client has previously red color, and today she wants a blue ombre, so we are just going to go ahead and crank this out. I am doing blue today, and so I want to lighten the ends of my clients a little bit. So I'm going to use Blondme Bleach, 9 levels of lift. The person's already been lifted already, so I just want to lighten her ends up a little bit more. And I'm going to be using 20 volume developer, and also in Blondme. This is a scoop of it. The mixing ratio of this bleach is about, I think it's let me see. It's one. I usually do 1 scoop of this bleach to 1.5 measurement of the developer. I think that's what it is. I'll check and I'll put it in the description, but usually that's how I mix this. So I am going to do about 1.5 scoops. That's 1, and I'll do a half of it of developer. I'm mixing up the bleach to ensure that I get a very smooth mixture with no lumps and bumps. And then also, everybody and their mama has a bond builder. Matrix has one too, so I wanted to try it. So I added that to my bleach mixture and I'm mixing it all up as usual. And then I proceeded to apply to my client's hair. Her ends are already lightened, and so I just wanted to top it a little bit more. Since I'm using blue, I didn't want it to turn green. And also, she didn't want her ombre to be too far up. And so I just topped the ends a little bit more with bleach so that I can get it to be a little bit lighter.
I also love technology and on YouTube there's people who create beautiful art pieces on Photoshop with a drawing tablet, and I want to do that.
You want to do that? That's cool. Anything that you just got to do, you want to do, you just have to put your mind to it and you can do it, right?
Yeah. If but I'm not sure because I also really human anatomy, so especially the heart, the cardiac system, the heart. So before I wanted to be a cardiac surgeon, that way I get a lot of money. So
is that also in the picture of stuff that you want to do, or
yeah,
so you kind of haven't completely not forgot about that idea either.
Yeah.
All right, that's also a good plan, I think. That's not a bad idea. I think you should do it too. Anything that you want to do, just have to study hard. I'm sure your parents tell you this. Just gotta work hard. Are you doing really good, at school, or
Yeah.
Are you a straight A?
Yeah.
Straight A? Okay. That's why you're getting your head down, because if you're not straight A, your parents ain't gonna even let you. Right?
Yeah.
Because a lot of kids that come and get their head down by me, if you're not straight hair, their parents don't want them to do it. You're gonna have to get all A's, so you're not gonna do your hair, or whatever.
Yeah.
Yep. I toned her ends a little bit with shade CQ 9V to eliminate the brassiness. And then I applied the color. I, of course, lost my footage as usual. And so I did the darkest blue, transitioning to the blue topaz, and the lighter color at the ends. And this is what we ended up having. A nice like transitional blue color, as you can see. It's nice. It's not too far up because she didn't want it too far up. But yeah, we got her ready to go back to school and do what she does. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also turn on the notifications button every time I have a new video. You can get to know about it. Thank you.